President of the Ghana Public Service Union Gpsu, Patrick Yard, on Wednesday told the media that the Department of Public Service is yet to begin formal talks with the union on the wage increases for public servants. Speaking at his Regent and Shift Chandra Drive office in Georgetown, the union leader said the government is basically frustrating the collective bargaining process.
Very unhappy that the practice continues where the government frustrate these negotiations till the end of the year. Okay, we're very unhappy that that practice continues. We were given the assurance that that would cease, but it continues.
However, he has assured that the union will not sign anything that is not adequate as public servants are being underpaid. In fact, he said the union is always prepared to negotiate higher than what is put forward.
We go to the sky for the limit. A lot of public servants receive poverty payments. Okay? Lots of them ends can't meet with what they're getting. So there's no question of whether we will pursue the best we could get.
He noted that in 2016, the government had used the Commission of Inquiry into the Public Service as a reason to stall wage talks, but now that has been settled and there are still challenges to set up a meeting. The government's representative for wage talks, Permanent Secretary of the Department of Public Service, Reginald Brotherson, is currently on leave, and the person acting in the position is unaware of the current status of the negotiations. At the GPSU's upcoming Executive Council meeting on Friday, the union president said the issue will be further discussed. For the past 3 consecutive years, despite promising otherwise, the government unilaterally announced wage increases for public servants after wage talks faltered. Bibi Katun, Newsroom.